Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In today's video I'll be creating a video on how to design a website on Canva. Now this video is going to explain step by step on how you can make a website on Canva. This video will be your only guide that you need to design your website with Canva. Now designing your website with Canva have many advantages. It is very easy, unlike WordPress and coding, designing your website through coding and so forth. Now designing your website with WordPress is much easier. This is just simply drag and drop you can actually use. Now watching this video will be your best video so far on how you can actually design your website with Canva. Now if you are new to this channel, do ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I create a new content. Now when you hover to your browser, click or type canva.com, and then this is the interface you will be redirected to. Now if you're using your phone or your PC, this is just how your interface is going to look like. Now at the top corner you will see what design today. Now you can actually tell from here, let's say you want to design a website, you can type it here, or you can look down here, you can see from you might want to try your doc, your whiteboard, your website, logo design, presentation, YouTube thumbnail, video, and so forth. Now all you just need to do is click on website, and when you click on website you will be redirected to a new interface. Now if you are used to Canva, there is certain things you need to be aware about Canva. Number one is that you can use a free version of Canva, and then number two is that you can use the pro version of Canva. Now what simply means is that it's the same website, but there are certain templates that are paid. That simply means whenever you use those templates, you will not be able to download your work or publish your website. So when you want to design or use any template on Canva, when you are not using the paid version or you don't want to pay for it, do not use the paid template. So when you hover to this interface, this is the interface where you are going designing your website. Now when you click on this Canva, this is a blank canvas, and you can actually design whatever you want to. Let's say first of all you want to change the color from white, so you click on this place here, and then you click on the color you want to change it to. So you will actually be able to change your color from this top side. Now you want to add a new page, you can come to this add page and click on it, and then you'll be able to add a new page. And how about the interface of the design? Let's say you are through with this. Now this is the template you're going to be using. So you're going to consider what type of template you want to use. Is it a website? Is it a portfolio? Is it a blog? Is it a food website? Is it a landing page? Is it an education you want to education or school? Is it services you want to provide? Is it wedding, and so forth? Now you're going to be checking out each of these templates and finding out which one do you want to design. Let's say you want to design a service website, so you click on services, and then you will see our services. Is it digital marketing service you want to provide? You click on digital marketing. Is it packages or packaging website, and so forth? You click on it. Now the next option here is the layout. So when you click on the layout, this will give you different types of layout you are going to use for your website. Let's say for instance you want a 3-column page or a 3-column standalone page. You are going to choose it from this layout. So from this layout here, you can actually choose the layout you actually want to use. You want to use a caption, do you want to use a heading, do you want to use hero image, and so forth. Let's say you want to use an hero image, so you click on this. Let's say you want your image to be like this or want it to be like this, so whichever you want, so you just hover, click on it here, and then you can put your website logo here, and you can put your title here, you can add your description here, you can put your call to action here, and then you can design an image that will fit in this size, and then you will be able to fix the image or put the image there. So whenever you have the image, all you need to do is move over to the next page here, and then the next page here you can actually choose your template, your layout. What type of layout do you want? You don't want to use a hero image here. Let's say you want a 4, so you can type 4 layout. Now you can see from here, okay, like I see from here, so you click on it. Now you can actually see from here that you have a 4 column layout. So from here you can add your description, you can add your heading and whatever you want to write. Let's say you want to write your privacy policy, your return policy, your about, or whatever you want to write. But this is just how to add a page and add a template or a layout. So you can come to the next page here, and for instance you want to choose your style, your font. You click on these styles here. From this tab you will be able to choose your color gradient and so forth. So choosing your color gradient is very important. So from here you can choose your color gradient. So you can say, let's say I want to use this color gradient. You can see here the colors, everything have changed, and then I can apply it to all pages. You can actually see that it's using this color gradient here, and from here you can be able to change your font set. Let's say you want to change your font set to Poppins, and you are able to change it and so forth. This one's is the styling is meant for you to change your color gradient and your font size, and the layout is meant for you to choose what you want to put in a particular page, so that at the end of it you'll be able to view your website. So let's say I want to add 4 layout before I show view. So I have added 2 layouts. All I need to do is come over to add page, and let's say I want to add this, and come over to add page again. Let's say I want to add an about page. I want to add an about page, so I can put it, I can just put it here. So click here, and this is it. So I can easily add my picture here. So come over to upload. Click on the image you want to upload here. Let's say I want to upload this image. So you drag the image. So you see now. So sorry, I clicked on it twice. So you can see now, and then you can write your name here. You can decide to move it to the center. Sorry, to move it to the center, and then from here I can write whatever I want to write here about me, about my services and so forth. So guys, when you are through, all you need to do is to click on this place to preview your website. Now this is how your website is going to look online. You see, you can see the first layout, which is your heading. You can see here, you can see the about page and so forth. So you can add as many layouts you want to add. Now you want to look at mobile. This is how it will look on mobile, and this is it. So you can click on this close. So guys, it's not just this place you are going to consider. Let's say you want to design an e-commerce website. All you need to do is come to the template here, click on e-commerce, type e-commerce, click on e-commerce website, and then you'll be able to choose from any of these templates here. But the templates you want to avoid, just like I've said before, is the templates that have the pro here or that have the crown icon. Whenever you see pro or the crown icon, it simply means that it is a paid template. You cannot use it for free. And when you are through, all you need to do is click on publish, and then your website will be live. Guys, if you find value in this video, do make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, comment below what you think about this video. Same time next week, you going to create new video. Thank you.